If you own a 9-year-old iPhone X, this is released in 2017, November 2017, it's stuck on iOS 16. So that's the first thing. Stuck on iOS 16, it's not going to change. The reason why I made this video is a lot of apps don't run anymore or are not really officially supported. And Uber is one of them. It requires iOS 17. And this is stuck at iOS 16. Some would say that you might be able to get it to run if you install the app. Install the older version of the app and try running it, but it's probably going to be buggy, or if it works, who knows what's going to happen. So officially, iPhone X does not work on, what do you call it, with Uber, because it requires iOS 17. Unofficially, you might get it to work with the older version, but the software maker, Uber, could just stop allowing you to do that. So maybe you can answer this for me. Does it work? Does it still work? I don't know. Over and out. Kind of sad.